If you've ever wondered how to find your Minecraft account creation date, I found this video here and it describes it pretty well, but there was just one change, so I wanted to go ahead and make an updated video. Um, just want to give the credit to the original content creator here that showed it 5 months ago, as well as it looks like there's another shout out here in the top of the comments. But I'll go ahead and link this stuff in my description as well in case you want to check out the original. So all you're going to do is go to minecraft.net. There's the blank page here. You're going to go to the top right corner, click account. You're going to go to profile, and then you're going to click on change profile name. You're just going to right click in the background here, go to inspect element or inspect. It should be the same for all browsers, but just right click menu on the background there. And then you're going to click on the network tab at the top here. And then we're going to go up here and type name change. And you'll see nothing shows up in this box just yet, but we're going to go ahead and hit the refresh button. And you'll see it loads up one result here. It might be two, but just one result for me. I'm going to click on here. It'll show you this tab here originally, the headers. You're just going to go over to response, and you'll see the last time you changed it, the date and time here, and then the create at or created at is the actual creation date of your Minecraft account. If you have any questions or have any troubles, maybe this has changed in the future, feel free to let me know and I can take a look at it for you and try to help you figure this out. But if you liked it, subscribe, leave a like. Thanks for watching.